Mortgage foreclosure is the legal process by which a lender repossesses a property after the borrower fails to make the required mortgage payments. This process allows the lender to recover the outstanding loan balance by selling the property. Definition of mortgage foreclosure. Mortgage foreclosure occurs when a borrower defaults on their mortgage loan and the lender initiates legal proceedings to take possession of the property used as collateral for the loan. The ultimate goal of foreclosure is to sell the property and use the proceeds to pay off the remaining mortgage debt. Types of foreclosure. There are two primary types of foreclosure processes used in different jurisdictions. 1. Judicial foreclosure. Definition: a foreclosure process that involves going through the court system to repossess the property. Procedure: the lender files a lawsuit against the borrower, and the case goes through the judicial process. If the court rules in favor of the lender, the property is sold at a public auction. 2. Non-judicial foreclosure definition: a foreclosure process that does not require court involvement and is based on the terms specified in the mortgage or deed of trust. Procedure: the lender follows a series of steps outlined in state law and the loan agreement, including providing notice to the borrower and conducting a sale of the property. The foreclosure process. The foreclosure process typically involves several key steps. 1. Missed payments and default loan agreement. The mortgage loan agreement specifies the payment schedule and terms. Missed payments. When a borrower fails to make timely mortgage payments, the loan becomes delinquent. Lenders usually allow a grace period before taking action. Notice of default. After a specified number of missed payments, typically 90 days, the lender issues a formal notice of default to the borrower, indicating that the loan is in default and foreclosure proceedings may begin. 2. Pre-foreclosure period loan workout options. During the pre-foreclosure period, lenders and borrowers may explore options to avoid foreclosure, such as loan modification, repayment plans, forbearance, or short sale. Notice of foreclosure. If no agreement is reached, the lender issues a notice of foreclosure, alerting the borrower that the foreclosure process is officially starting. 3. Foreclosure lawsuit, judicial foreclosure. Filing the lawsuit. In judicial foreclosure states, the lender files a foreclosure lawsuit in court. Summons and complaint. The borrower receives a summons and complaint, outlining the lender's claims and the amount owed. Borrower's response. The borrower has an opportunity to respond to the lawsuit and present any defenses. Court hearing. A court hearing is held to determine the validity of the lender's claims. If the court rules in favor of the lender, a foreclosure judgment is issued. 4. Notice of sale. Public notice. The lender must provide public notice of the foreclosure sale, typically through newspapers or public postings. Sale date. The notice includes the date, time, and location of the foreclosure sale. 5. Foreclosure sale. Auction. The property is sold at a public auction to the highest bidder. In some cases, the lender may submit a credit bid equal to the amount owed on the mortgage. Post-sale. The winning bidder receives a trustee's deed or certificate of sale, depending on state laws. 6. Redemption period. Right of redemption. Some states provide a redemption period during which the borrower can reclaim the property by paying the full amount owed, including fees and costs, even after the foreclosure sale. 7. Eviction and transfer of ownership eviction. Notice. If the borrower still occupies the property, an eviction notice is issued. The borrower must vacate the property by a specified date. Transfer of ownership. The new owner, either the winning bidder or the lender, takes possession of the property and can evict the occupants if necessary.